So, which one of you uses shampoo every day? Or which one of you uses the hand soap? Or does anybody use the painkillers when they are sick? And did you know that all these compounds that you use every day, they can finally go to the wastewater treatment plant and then enter the environment? My name is Agnieszka Cuprys, and today I will be talking about my project that revolves around these chemicals that are found in the environment, and they are called the emerging contaminants. So, every day when you take a bath, take a shower, wash your hands or wash your dishes, or you take the prescribed meds when you are sick, then all these compounds, they can go into the drain and they can finally go to the water treatment plant. But the water treatment plants, they are not designed to treat such molecules because the concentration of them is very, very, very small. So in the end, they can enter to the environment. So we can find them in lakes, soil, sea, everywhere. And that is the problem. You may ask me, actually, so what? Their concentration is really, really small. So why should we bother? For example, we test the mixture, the cocktail of these contaminants in the bacteria. So as you can see here, we have plates with different cocktails. We check different cocktails. So basically, we add the small amount of the contaminant cocktail into the holes that you can see there, and then around the hole you can see small circles. The bigger circle, the bigger toxicity of the cocktail is. We also check rather bigger animals. So, for instance, we can check daphnias. Daphnias, they are found in water, and basically we test the contaminants cocktail also on them. So then, after the administration of the contaminant cocktail, we can see under a microscope or even with our own eyes if the daphnias, they are still moving, or if there is some form of the animal. So you may ask me, how do we know that these contaminants, they are there in the water? Like I said, they are at very, very, very small concentration. Well, basically it is difficult. So imagine we have a sample of water and we have a contaminant there. As you can see, it's like a grain of sand in the sandbox. So what we usually do, we have to concentrate. So we have to basically decrease the amount of the water that we have, so that instead of this, we have something like this. Now you can see it's much easier to fish out this small sand grain of sand from this amount of water instead of this one. Although, let me tell you, it is also problematic because it takes time. It really takes time to concentrate this amount of water into something like that. During the wastewater treatment, we check different parameters. They check it every day. They check it with the sensors, and they have constant monitoring system for it. So basically what I wanted to see is that if we have this small sand grain of sand in the water treatment, I want to see if the parameters that we check all the time, like, I don't know, temperature, pH, the flow of the water, the presence of different bacteria in the biological treatment. I want to see if they change when the emerging contaminants are inside. So basically, in the end, we can develop the monitoring system or the early warning system for the emerging contaminants, so that we don't have to take the big sample, concentrate it, take it to the machine, and then check it, analyze it. We just want to know it if it's there here and now. If you have any questions, just write me an email or contact us at NMBU website. And that's it.